How to fix bad sectors error on Windows. 1. Scan and repair drive errors. 2. Perform a check disk scan via one of the following commands. chkdskc/fchkdskc/r3. Repair or replace corrupted. System files. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-helpdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health 4. Running system maintenance troubleshooter. 5. Restore your device to a previous state, if you can. 6. Restore Windows factory settings by resetting your system.